Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Nishu and Anu Entertainment Show. And as you have seen the thumbnail, you know what's gonna happen today. Just look at these garlic breads, they look so yummy, and hear the voice, they are very much crispy and extremely yummy. So without wasting any time, let's dive in and see how to make this garlic bread in very less time. And this gets ready in very less time. So whenever you are hungry or for breakfast, it will get ready about 5-10 minutes. It's a quick snack you can get. So enjoy the video. Whoosh.
So let's see what we need. We need bread slices and some cheese. I'm taking cube cheese. You can take mozzarella cheese or cheese slices. Now I'm taking butter which was in room temperature for long and it's now very soft. We need that type of butter and coriander leaves. And don't forget some garlic as we're making garlic bread. So let's start by crushing the garlics we have. Now we'll put the garlics in a butter which was very soft, and then you need to put chili flakes there in the butter. But as my sister is gonna eat it and she don't like much chili, so I'm not putting it. And also put some coriander and give it a good mix. Now I'll take the bread and put a very thin layer of butter on the bread. Now you should put a very thin layer, because if you put a thick layer, you won't get your bread crispy enough. So I'll put the layer of butter on both the breads, and now we'll put some cheese. Here it goes. Now I'll take another bread and push the bread little bit like this. Now on the top side of the bread, I'll again apply the butter. And after applying the butter on the top side, I'll also apply the butter on another side. So we should apply the butter on all sides of bread. Now I'll put the bread in a pan. The flame should be low and I'll cover it with a lid, and the lid should have a hole like this. Wait for some time and your bread will be ready. Now I'll open the lid and roast the bread from the other side, and then again cover the lid. How well the cheese have melted.
Now it's time to taste a crispy garlic bread. And you know who I have here for tasting? Please welcome Miss Anya, my sister only, to the stage. Now she's gonna eat and check this garlic bread out. And be sure, when you put the butter on the bread, it should be just a thin layer. Otherwise, if you put a lot of butter, your bread won't be crispy, and that part will get very soft. So I don't have mozzarella cheese. I only use cheese cubes. That's why I don't have the stretchy cheese. You can use cheese slices. Just keep it with cheese slices and crumbles, or mozzarella cheese, or any cheese you want. So till that time, let's also have it. Hope you like the video, and if you do, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell button and share this video the most you can. So meet you in my next video. Take care and bye bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Whoosh.